Hello, today I'm going to unbox Seagate's 3TB hard drive. As with all hard drives, there isn't really much to unbox, but I'm making this video so you know that I now have one, and you can request any benchmarks you want to see about the hard drive. I'm going to use it for fraps recording, so I should be able to fit like 16 hours of raw 1080p footage on it. So let's take the foam off then. Here is the hard drive in the anti-static bag, made in DH, and it's got it open. This is the hard drive now. Seagate Barracuda 3000 gigabytes. Now this is the front of the hard drive. If you want to read anything, just pause the video. In this important section it says that you may need a special driver for it because it's so high capacity. Let's have a look at the back of the hard drive. Nothing special here either, just like any other hard drives. Got your SATA 3 connector here. It feels very heavy, I think, compared to my 1TB hard drive, because it has three times the capacity. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or want to see any performance benchmarks, or if you want to know if you should buy one, just ask and I'll try to find an answer for you. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.